Hello. If you are among the farmers that are asking questions on how to make their poultry broilers grow fatter and bigger, this video is for you. Alternative feed ingredients to make your broilers fat. Do you sell your broilers on weight? Are you among the farmers that sell in 6 weeks? Do your buyers always complain that your broilers are lightweight? Do you want your broilers to grow massive weight within short period of time? These feed ingredients I'm going to teach in this particular video will help you to do that. I'll give you all the names of the alternative organic feed ingredients and their nutritional composition that will help you to get alternative energy source and fatty source to make your broilers grow bigger and fatter in short period of time. That is the number one of them, is full fat soya bean, FFSBM, full fat soya bean meal. If you have watched the recent video I made about, I think that was last week, you will notice how to prepare full fat soya bean meal. Full fat, because it contains a lot of fat, lesser of protein, unlike normal soya bean meal. Full fat soya bean meal contains 18 to 20% crude fat. You can see, if you use this full fat soya bean to prepare any feed, most especially starter feed or finisher feed, your broilers are going to grow fat in short period of time. It is a wonderful product to get fat from because it contains a lot of fat. Number 2 is groundnut cake, GNC, fat 8 to 12% crude fat. Groundnut cake is widely available in Nigeria and other countries also. It is very cheap and it boosts both protein and fat, but it has what we call aflatoxin. So if you are making use of groundnut cake meal or groundnut cake in your feed, make sure you use toxin binder to take care of that aflatoxin. Number 3 among them is pancake cake, PKC. This is another wonderful product. The fat content is between 8 to 10%. Very cheap in Nigeria, because if you go to feed meat dealers or feed product dealers, it's always very cheap. It is a waste from the processing of pancake oil. After extracting the oil, the seed is left over, and when they grind the seed, though it comes with kernel most of the times, very cheap, and it has very good source of energy that boosts the energy and at the same time fat. It has high fiber. So if you're making use of PKC, don't exceed 10 to 15%, maximum 15%. Another one, this is another wonderful and very cheap organic fat content ingredients that can help you to grow big broilers if you add them to your feed, is rice bran. Rice bran is predominant in most regions in Nigeria, especially if you are going to those areas they produce rice, where they have rice mills. This rice bran is waste from rice processing. Once they are peeling the rice, polishing the rice to make it look white, those outer coats is called rice bran. Rice bran is there. Rice polish is also there, but rice bran is good because it contains 12 to 18% crude fat. It is one of the best cheap source of fat. It improves weight gain and can go well with your broilers if added to the feed. Please make use of it while fresh. Don't go to dustbin in your area to go and pack rice bran they have already poured, because many people that doesn't have buyers always pour it to the dustbin. Don't go there and pack it, because you are going to contaminate your poultry beds. Because the doc have said something about, let me go. There's one mama that used to pour her own. Go to backyard and go and carry some that have already mixed with bacteria. Go and feed your poultry birds. You come back crying, buying expensive drugs to take care of it. Another one is maize germ or maize bran. Contains 10 to 20% crude fat, strong energy ingredients, and often cheaper than whole maize. Because if they are polishing maize, the outer coat of that maize seed is maize bran. Mostly where they are using it, the maize for the maize flour or other things, you get maize bran. Another one, that is number 6, is Brewer's dry grain soluble, BDG. Has 6 to 10% crude fat, cheap and affordable, and also available. Please use moderately. Inclusion rate should be between 5 to 10%. Get it from all these local distillers, those people that prepare all these local beverages like Brukutu, Pap, all these, and rest of them. Now, shea butter cake is number 7. Shea butter cake, 8 to 15% crude protein, very cheap in some regions. If you have it in your region, please let me know on the comment section. All these locally available organic ingredients that I'm mentioning here, if you have them in your area in abundance, please let me know on the comment section. Drop it on the comments. Let's share our opinion so that those that may need them can even request from them from your area. It's very important. Very cheap in some regions. It is, if you find this very cheap in your area, please let us know also. Please don't exceed 10% of it. Another one is coconut cake. Cobra meal. Cobra meal is the another name. Fat, 8 to 12% crude fat. It's a wonderful product, though it's not always common like other ones I mentioned earlier. It is a good source of energy and add enzyme to improve digestion in your feed, to make digestion very quick. Number 9 is animal fat, tallow, cheaper than oil sometimes. Most of all this oil, granite oil or vegetable oil or all the turkey oil has gone. I don't know where it has gone. It has gone so far. You hardly see them. All these oils contains fat, 90% crude fat. Here we are talking about all this fat from animals. They have 90% crude fat, direct replacement for oil, and often cheaper than vegetable oil. If you know, you can get them. There are other kitchen wastes that has a lot of fat and oil also that can be used. If you have avocado seed, avocado peel, all these kitchen waste and scraps that have fat in them can also be used to get the fat you need and add it to your commercial feed. Mix it thoroughly and feed your poultry birds, especially some weeks to selling. You get amazing weight. Fatty content of all these ingredients will make your broilers grow enough fat, but don't expect the meat to be as tasty as that of organic chicken meat. No, because it will be dominated by fat all over. Do this some days or weeks to the market because you are selling your broilers based on weight. So the fatty content of the ingredients will make your broilers fat enough to gain massive weight if you are losing fat. Thank you for watching this video. Please share the video to reach more poultry farmers and make sure you join our channel membership. Those of you that want to join, you are complaining of your card, that you don't like using your card on social media, you don't like using your card on social platforms. I don't know how we're going to do it. The money you are using to register for your membership doesn't come to my account. So that's why I don't give you my own personal account. It's not, unless you want to give to me money, which I don't beg for anybody for that. The money should, you use your card, and others are doing it. Nothing happens to them. Please use your card. The money doesn't come to me. It goes to the platform. It goes to YouTube channel. That is the membership money goes to the YouTube. It doesn't come to my account. That's why I don't give you my personal account. Please. Thank you for watching the video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Let me remind you, for those of you that are complaining that they are losing 10, 15, 20 birds, because you refused to use our Super Eco Bio Booster. So we need to change the name to Super because it is doing a wonderful job in most farms now. Many farmers cannot do without this. It's a powerful organic product that keeps your birds healthy. Zero mortality from beginning to the end and massive weight at the end. This is what we're using to gain this. All these broilers you are seeing on these videos, this is what we use for them. I don't use any other. Those that are asking me, please, my birds are dying one after the other. I've lost 10, I lost 17. I woke up this morning, I lost 10. Yesterday I lost 17. Tomorrow I don't know whether I will lose all of them tomorrow. I don't use any other thing except this. What I use is what I will teach and what I will give you. If you ask me for any medication, go to your local vet's clinic. Go and describe how your birds are behaving. They will give you. But if you describe for me, this is what I will prescribe for you. Eco Bio Booster. This is 5 liters. 5 liters is 55,000 naira. This product only. You pay for your way bill to your location. I import products from China. I pay for the transportation for shipping to Nigeria. Even from Lagos, I pay to my home where I base also. So you pay for the product, you pay for the way bill to reach you. But it will reach you under 24 hours in Nigeria here. This is 55,000. Please don't come and ask me how much is this product because I always mention it on all my videos. If the price changes, I will let you know. But the price remains 55,000 naira. Those that are asking for 2 liter, 1 liter, half liter, medium liter. This is Eco Bio Booster. This is 3 liter Eco Bio Booster. See it here. 3 liters Eco Bio Booster. You see it? If you need 3 liters, this is what you get. This 3 liters goes for 45,000 naira. 3 liters, 45,000. 5 liters, 55,000 naira. Anyone that suits your convenience, suits your pocket, buy it. Don't ask me for 1 liter or 0 liter. This is what I have. Only what I have is this. 3 liters and 5 liters for now. Buy them and make use of them so that all those birds you are throwing inside the bush, you use it to make profit and grow your business instead of throwing them. Some of you even prefer losing their birds, throwing them and burying the dead birds than buying this product. As you wish yourself, so shall it be. For me, this is what I use and this is what I can prescribe for you. Thank you for watching the video. Share it to reach more poultry farmers and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. If you don't want to subscribe, you leave it. It doesn't concern me. It doesn't add anything to me at all. See the feed booster here. For those of you that want to boost the feed, if you're using commercial feed, want to boost growth, this is what you add. This particular packet is 15,000 naira and it can boost up to 4 bags of feed or more. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Till the next video, we meet there.